Hi guys, this is the second craft video, and this one we're going to make drums. I have two different ways to make them, and this first one is a little bit easier. So this one you're going to use a container. I have a cotton candy container. It's orange. It smells this good. I got it for Easter. It's great. And then some wax paper. Kind of like what you put No Bakes or any other cookies on. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut out your little square. I did this. You can kind of see my circle. I pushed down, created what my circle's going to look like, and then cut out more than I needed just in case. And then you're going to wrap a rubber band, put it over top. If you need to, you can do a double time. This one is not going to need that double. And then you have a bongo, little bongo drum. My other way is a little bit more complicated. It's still a container. This one actually used a mason jar and then a balloon, which I cut. I cut the top of it off and then just stretched it over top. I'm going to show it again using this one. So this is the wax paper. You're going to tighten it up. The wax paper one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off and I'm going to grab a balloon. So you're going to grab your balloon. You're going to grab your scissors. You're going to cut the neck of the balloon off. So just below the neck. You might want your parents for this because this is going to get difficult. So what you're going to do, you're going to take it, you're going to stretch it, and you're going to put it over your container. So you're going to put it over the container. This one has a little bit more bounce than the, watch out for that, it will try and rip. What I did to my mason jar, which you can see, I put a rubber band. So when you pull on it, you're not ripping it. There's something keeping it there. So grab my big rubber band. I'll put it around. I'm going to hold the balloon so it's nice and tight. And you're going to put your rubber band over top. Got nice pretty colors for mine. Got pink rubber band. And you have a little drum. This one is a little bit lighter sounding, you can hear it. It's small and it's plastic, where the glass one is higher and it resonates better because it's glass. But for some of my younger kids, I do recommend the plastic. This, you can drop on accident. Please don't drop it on purpose, but you can drop it. If you drop it, it's not going to hurt anybody. This, if I drop this right now, would shatter. And that's not good. We don't want broken glass everywhere. I just use this because I like the sound. And my older kids might be able to do this. But for my younger kids, I do recommend that. And you can hit this with chopsticks to be the drumstick. You can make different sounds. You can hit it. You can't do that with any of my drums, but you can do that with yours. You can also make a bubble, because it is a balloon. You can't do that with the wax one, but the wax paper will move. I do recommend the balloon, but if you do not have anything else, the wax paper will work. So that's our drums. And if from the last one, you might have a shaker that looks like this. This one's the more difficult one. You might have an egg shaker, or You might have turned that egg shaker into a maraca. So, I have a song that can use both of these. And we know I've said bongo, plastic, and so we have Bongo Joe, and we have Shaker Sal. Stay tuned for that song, and you can play your instruments along while we sing. Bye, guys.